It's wash day, and yes, I definitely need help getting rid of all these tangles. I'm so excited for this wash day because I have the perfect tool to quickly and gently help me detangle my hair. The Tangle Teezer's White Tooth Comb. The white set teeth gently detangles hair and helps reduce breakage, while the short two-tier teeth help get rid of those tangles that seem impossible to eliminate. This white tooth comb can be used both in and out of the shower. I like to use it along with a conditioner or deep conditioner. When detangling my hair, I always start from the ends and work my way up. I start with the wide set teeth and then switch to the short teeth to get rid of those stubborn tangles and to remove shed hair. Now for styling, I first make sure my hair is wet before applying any product. Here I am using the Tangle Teezer's Fine Mist Spray Bottle to add water back into my hair. I then apply a leave-in conditioner, then detangle my hair with the white tooth comb while also distributing the product. Lastly, I apply a gel for definition and repeat. When it comes to styling my wash and goes, I always make sure to do it in sections. Look at these results. I love it. I absolutely love this Tangle Teezer White Tooth Comb. It helps speed up the detangling process. I notice less breakage. It glides through hair with less pulling and tugging, and it makes my hair feel healthier and softer. Definitely a must-have.